What's up guys, it's Cam and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by, then welcome. And I really hope that you join the Cam fam by hitting that subscribe button down below. So today's eye look was created with the super cute Too Faced Palm Springs Dreams eyeshadow palette. And I love like the sturdy aluminum packaging on this. I'm totally digging the colors in this. It is like Malibu Barbie Dreams right here. Just makes me feel like spring break. It's like, I don't know about you, but I just want it to be like spring break time already, and that's what I'm feeling. I even like busted out a little bit of like gradual self tanner just to, I don't know, feel not so wintry and blah like I bet we're all feeling right now. So I wanted to do something very like Malibu Barbie spring break inspired. So this is the look that I came up with, and if you want to see step by step how I did it, then just keep watching. So the first color I'm dipping into is Saucy and Bossy. And so that's what I'm using for my transition first. And so next I'm going into the color BYOB. And I'm packing that in the outer corner, and then I'm going to bring it into my crease. And I'm just blending that out with some more Saucy and Bossy. So with that all blended out, next comes the fun part. So I'm taking the color Swizzle Stick with my finger, and I'm going to start applying this to my lid. Then with my pinky, I'm picking up Buzzkill. And I'm just going to kind of layer this just in the inner part of the lid to lighten it a little bit and add a little dimension. Now I'm just stamping the color BYOB along the lower lash line. And this is just to give the lower lash line some definition before I go in with another color. Then I'm picking up Swank with like a smudge brush. And now I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line with that color, blending it into the brown. And then I'm just going to take my Ofra Star Island highlighter and pop that in the inner corner. And as a brow bone highlight. So now I'm just going to go apply some black eyeliner, pop on some Ardell 113 lashes, and I'll be right back to show you guys the finished look. Okay guys, and so here's the finished look. So that is it, my loves. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope that you enjoyed this eye look today. If you did, then please smash that thumbs up button down below. And lastly, I'm just gonna leave you with a couple more videos by me that you can watch. And if you haven't already, click on my face right here to subscribe to my channel. Alright, beautiful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.